Guys, so what is up? It is Jeanette. So I know I am sorry, I've been sick, but this is going to be the long-awaited makeup tutorial that I asked you guys on Twitter and Facebook, and you guys wanted to see a makeup tutorial. However, I was sick for the past week or so I'm going to be doing that right now. And of course, some things are going to be like a first impressions because I have gotten stuff from Birchbox and I have discovered new things and I want to try them out. The first thing is this liquid lipstick by Lipsense. Thank you, Teresa. I'll link her stuff down below, but it's called Honey Rose. And then we have the Oops Remover and the moisturizing gloss. Now this says that it's supposed to stay on all day, it's long wearing, and it doesn't budge. Now I did try it one time and I am a huge fan of it. It doesn't budge. You can eat with it, you can drink with it, you can do anything with it. But the key fact is to keep applying the moisturizing gloss throughout the day. Now if you make a mistake or if you want to remove it, you use the Oops Remover. I'm a huge fan of it, but yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. Again, I have some different things that I'm trying out for the first time for my Birchbox, but the first thing is that I'm going to apply is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer, and it's in the color Radiance. Now, I never tried this product, so I'm just going to apply a little bit at a time, and I don't know what it's going to do because I've never tried this product before. And I'm just applying it with my beauty blender, which probably isn't the best thing to do, so I may switch to either a brush or my hand. Oh, it gives you kind of like a glow. I think that's partly why it's called Radiance. So I'm just applying that all over my face. It's very moisturizing. So I guess you can use this as a moisturizer too. I didn't think it was going to be that moisturizing. But yeah, so it kind of gives me like a glow already. But I don't use it with a brush or your hand because it is just, I mean, it's going on okay with the beauty blender, but you definitely have to blend it out. So of course you can see like I have kind of like a highlight already on my nose, a highlight on my cheeks. So now, of course, I love this thing. It's my Urban Decay Naked Skin Weightless Ultra Definition Liquid Makeup in the shade 1. And it's a pump. I usually do like 1, 2, and maybe like half a pump there. And then I just kind of put this all over my face. And then I just kind of go about it. I'm going to set it, set it with my Dream Wonder Powder by Maybelline, like this. Ooh, I'm hitting pan already. I have my Tarte brushes. Definitely, and I just apply it all over my face. And it kind of sets the foundation and the primer. I usually do concealer first, but it's alright. I can skip steps too. So I'm just really setting my foundation and primer. I really like that primer because even though it's covered in my foundation and covered in my, after my, what's it called? My powder, it's still working, so. And this is in the color Porcelain Ivory. I'm a very fair skin person. So now I need to take my... Now the next thing that I like to do is I like to apply my blush and my highlight. So I like to use this white brush. It's not really white anymore, but it's pink. And I'm going to go ahead and use my Milani powder blush in the shade Romantic Rose. Now this is a really good quality blush, and I really like it a lot. It's not too pink, not too dark, and it was $8 at HEB. And so yeah, I just apply that, and then so the next thing that I like to do is to do my eyes, but yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna prime the eyes first. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wish Botanical Primer, and I got this in my Birchbox. Now this is another first impression for me. It is very creamy. Ooh, and just putting it on my finger, it's very moisturizing. It's falling off my finger though. Go in with this Inspired very, very, very lightly, only because I know that they're pigmented. So I'm gonna go in with this brush here, and I'm going to take some and put it in my outer corner. This color here, my Carly by Val, and I think I'm going to apply that to right in the middle. Okay, so now I'm going to take in this color again and go back into my crease. So that way we can define
the FYI, I used her Lipsense last night before going to bed at about 8, and I still have most of it still on.
I'm going to put it on today.
Cool. Well, I'm putting it on right now, so y'all can see it in a minute, but I still have most of it on. My lips are not normally this beautifully pink.
And then I'm going to take
that and put it on my brow bone, and I'm going to get a different brush so I can put it in my inner crease. So, right there. Right there.
It's called Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. Closest to my lash line. And again, I'm not perfect at it.
See? I have now reapplied it. It does not sting. It didn't sting me. Last night, I did find mild flaking. Very, very mild. It felt like my lips were chapped, so I don't like chapped lips, so I kept like trying to get it off. But only a few spots here and there, nothing major. So, but now I can drink out of a straw, kiss without leaving anything. Look, see her arm? Nothing. See her face? With her makeup? Nothing. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, the only thing it does is it leaves the lip gloss on there.
But obviously. The gloss is to moisturize your
nose. So it doesn't really do anything.
Now when I go in with my Tarte Man Eater eyeliner, and I just apply that over.
The coolest name ever for.
What, man-eater?
Yeah.
Oh.
Chew 'em up, spit 'em out.
Now, there's going to be another first impression in this video. It's definitely going to be for the Marcel Ultimate Volume. And it's called Nano, I guess because it's the small version. And I got this in my last Birchbox video, and I said that it looked like a Maybelline brush. And I'm going to try that one out. Now, I have tried out this Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara, and this one's really good. I'm also going to try out this Birchbox eyelash curler because I haven't used it yet. So, ooh, it does curl really good. Look how well that curled my eyelashes though. I'm gonna try this one just by itself so that way I can test out the real one, and it's called Marcel Volume Nano. So,
I like how this lipstick has a little shimmer to it.
oh, I like that.
But I want a burgundy type one too.
Wow.
Wow.
It's just like one coat. I know. It's the other eye with one coat.
Look for it today.
I like this. It separates the eyelashes very well. Now I'm going to apply the Stila Huge Lashes, which this one, at first, I was skeptical about because it does get a lot of product on the brush. But what I've noticed is you have to kind of like scrape it off, which you get a lot.
And I is the Maybelline yellow bottle and the e.l.f. together. And man, you want to talk about clumpy. By the end of the day, that stuff is horrible.
The e.l.f. one?
Some of my eyelashes.
So the next one that I'm going to take is their Real Benefit Mascara. The last thing that I always do is lips. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying the Lipsense in the color Honey Rose. And again, this is from my friend Teresa. Yes, I did buy it. It's not sponsored. But she recommended it to me, and I asked her about it because it's smudge proof, kiss proof, and eating proof, smoke proof. So if you're a smoker, or if you love to eat or drink coffee and you don't want your lipsticks to go out. So it does have a spoolie like this, but it's recommended to apply 3 thin layers on your lips from the corner to corner. So that's what I'm going to do, and not to do this during the lip gloss. Okay, so you have to keep your lips separate.
Or if you just want to wake up looking fabulous, like as if you've got permanent pink lips, that's perfect.
And again, it does kind of tingle at first. Like for my mom, it didn't tingle, but for me, it did. So, yeah, it's just different for everybody. It is very sticky at first. So I'm gonna let it dry a little bit, and then put the lip gloss. Only because I don't want it to.
Yep, that's what I did. I waited quite a while. Well, a few minutes.
Until it's
And
fully
I
dry.
fanned it.
Yeah. So you gloss, and you're gonna see that nothing transfers over. Nothing. Nothing transferred over. Now, the only thing is you have to keep reapplying the lip gloss throughout the day. But that's so that way you can get that moisturizing effect. To look, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, so that's my makeup tutorial and kind of first impressions on some of the things that I got from my Birchbox. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button. Thank you. Bye.